Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring the room perimeter and key features. Use a tape and mark each wall to the nearest 0. 5. Once that's done, sketch the exterior outline on graph paper using a chosen scale. For example, 1/4 = 1. You must locate doors and windows now and note their centers and swing directions because these determine clearances later. Make sure to record wall thicknesses and any fixed elements like columns. Accurate exterior dimensions save rework in later steps. You now add interior partitions and refine the plan. Measure each wall from a reliable reference line so dimensions remain consistent. Then place doors, windows, kitchen, and bathroom fixtures and show dimension lines to critical faces and center lines because installers rely on those. Don't forget to indicate clearances like door swings and appliance service spaces. These prevent clashes during construction. Once interior placement is set, annotate room names and primary dimensions, and add vertical notes like ceiling height or step. You finish by creating continuous dimension chains and overall outside measurements so contractors can quickly verify layout. This reduces mistakes. Then add a scale key, north arrow, material notes, and tolerance callouts such as +/1/4 in because clarity matters during bidding and build. Once the plan is complete, perform a field check, measure key dimensions on site, and compare to the drawing. If discrepancies appear, update the plan immediately. If things still don't match, remeasure affected walls and verify the reference baseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.